Hello everybody, how you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. I'm at the very end of my day. This is literally my whole makeup from my entire day. I'm not gonna take it off because I'm feeling a little bit like lazy and I'm tired, but I still wanted to film this look. I literally thought about it a few hours ago, so I'm just gonna use whatever I have on hand. I'm doing a makeup tutorial for Carrie Underwood's song Cry Pretty. And I decided to do it because it's such an amazing song. It's so beautiful. And the cover art for it is honestly amazing. So I figured I would take a shot at it and recreate it. So let's just get into the video. Now in that cover art, Carrie Underwood has runny, smudged mascara. So I'm just gonna put some mascara under my eyes and smudge it out. And I'm actually not gonna do a new mascara, I'm gonna do an older mascara that I have. So just literally like under the eyes, like directly under the eyes, and then I'm gonna smudge it out. I need some more. This eye's looking pretty good. And we're just smudging that out. Like we've been wiping our eyes. And honestly, I'm just gonna take a damp like sponge and wet the top of it and just pack it on so it'll run. I'm gonna take a little brush and wet it and just make it look like my mascara is running. Looks like I've been crying for hours, jeez. Ugh. And then in the cover, there's also a bunch of glitter running down from her eyes. I'm honestly gonna take this really skinny angled brush. It's not skinny there, but it's skinny through here. And I'm gonna go in to steal it in Molten Midnight. And I'm just gonna take it directly off the applicator. And I also used this for my Joan Jett and the Blackhearts makeup Get Ready With Me. If you haven't seen that, it'll be linked in the description and at the end of this video. So I'm just taking that and I'm going to be basically crying glitter. And I feel like we should go in and smudge this around too, just to make it as messy as the mascara. And I chose to use Molten Midnight just because there's black underneath all this glitter. So that really helps with the running mascara look. Now just to like blast people with, just to blast people with the glitter, I'm going in to Becca Highlight, the pressed highlight in the shade Opal with a fan brush. And I'm going to do quite a bit of highlighting. Okay. And I'm actually going to be taking a regular flat brush for my eyelid and packing Opal on there. Because it's the end of the day and my makeup isn't wearing as nicely as I would like it to, even though this is like a really messy crying kind of look, we could still try and cry pretty. So I'm gonna put some of the highlight on my eyelid in Opal. And that surprisingly worked. I didn't expect it to. And I'm not taking it up into the crease, I'm just doing the lid. Now taking a slightly larger fluffy brush, we're going in to Becca What is this? I use this a million times and yet I don't know what it is. Into the Becca Pressed Highlight in the color Moonstone. And I'm just gonna go around my face, around the eyes and cheeks randomly. Just putting more glitter on there. Now I feel like this is a little bit too pretty, so I think we should go back in with the mascara and plop some more on. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel like I would resemble a character that's off of Xenon, you know, like Xenon Girl of the 21st Century. Anyone who's like my age, in their like early 20s, like late teens, early 20s, you know? I'm in my early 20s. Even like mid 20s, I feel like kids would understand this reference. But I feel like I should be from Xenon Girl of the 21st Century. Like I would be in Protozoa's band. I feel like I'd be like someone playing the guitar or the drums in the background. Zoom, 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 like Marco, boom, boom, my supernova girl. Zoom, zoom, zoom. You know the song. So I'm gonna wet this flat brush and go in with some water. Yep, the glitter is definitely there. It's super dominant. I kind of feel like putting it on my lips too. And I don't know if the Becca products are safe on the lips. I know Jeffree Star is, so you might want to go with him. So the look is complete. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like this was a success for me, just creating this look, just coming up with this look on the spot, you know, with the products that I have already, and coming up with the idea of doing this only like literally 3 hours ago. So I hope you enjoyed the look. And I honestly feel like I could be someone in Protozoa's band from Xenon. So I'm kind of digging it. I like it. It's very futuristic in my mind. So I'll see you all in the next video. Remember, you are all strong, independent, articulate individuals, and I love every single one of you. Bye!